Introducing the Y60 265i, configured for any task, whether it be playing games, creating digital content, or casually browsing. Working intimately with brands such as Intel, NVIDIA, AMD, Microsoft, Western Digital, and more, we're able to offer you a system with the highest level of performance at a great value. Featuring quick processing by 12700KF CPU combined with the RTX 3070, this rig has been tested to meet the system requirements for all the latest games and productivity programs. I am very pleased with this purchase. I waited a few weeks before writing this review to ensure of the quality. The computer arrived in a timely manner and worked right out of the box. It is very fast and quiet. Works well while playing online RPG games that require a good graphics card. No lag, FPS issues. Really good computer for the price. Would buy from this company again.